Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing and review of VESWWE Toddler Tablet 7-inch for kids. The kids tablet is equipped with GMS-certified Android 11 operating system, quad-core processor, 1024 by 600 IPS display, Bluetooth, support for faster Wi-Fi 6 connection protocol, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM. The storage space can be expanded to 128 GB or more using an SD card to store photos, music, and videos. It comes with pre-installed educational apps. This tablet is preloaded with apps suitable for toddlers, such as Montessori, STEM, art, and craft, brain training. You can also download any other apps from the Play Store, such as Disney+, ABC Mouse, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube Kids, etc. It is a children's tablet that helps children learn more about the world. Also, this child-friendly tablet for kids comes pre-installed with updated version of VESWWE app, pre-installed game apps support playing without network. It comes with parental control function. Parents can create profiles for their children's accounts, control screen time, and add safe content for them to browse on the tablet. It also comes with children's protective cover. This kid's tablet's protective cover is colorful, drop-proof and shock-proof, soft and durable, ensuring the safety of the tablet. There is a handle on the top for easy carrying. The adjustable bracket on the back can adjust the tablet kids to any angle, freeing children's hands and making viewing more comfortable. This is a very basic Android-type tablet, most definitely focused on younger kids, perhaps as their first electronic device. It has a brightly colored case that has a large handle built in for grip. It's responsive and easy to use and works fairly well. It's probably suitable as a first tablet for a child, but they would quickly grow out of it. The screen is nice and bright, and very easy to see, even whilst outside in the sun watching. The educational apps are a nice bonus on this and seem to be running fine. I have added some of her favorite shows on a memory card so that kids can enjoy watching them. The case that surrounds this is a great idea, as so far it has been dropped twice and suffered no ill effects whatsoever. I think for the price you are getting a lot for your money, and if the durable case can continually protect it, then it is a bit of a bargain. Altogether, a very nice tablet. It keeps the young ones very quiet, and for that alone it is worth buying. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.